If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more.
And I think I may have left my keys at the gas station. I know that sounds so crazy, but like, do you guys have this? Okay. The number is 704.
I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah, yeah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony. I hope you all are blessed and highly favored. Welcome back, my blessed and beautiful people.
Normal weekdays we're open until 5:30.
Oh my gosh, you guys. So the apartment I'm about to visit isn't like exactly the one that I will be getting per se. It just kind of will help me get a gist of what it will be looking like. The guy couldn't even get on the elevator with me. But he'll be waiting. It's really nice. It's super quiet. Part in my hair, I know it looks like a wet, soggy dog, but for now on, I got this wig from my first wig shop. I've had it for like about 2-3 months and it's trash. Like, this is my second time getting this hair and it's like it gets so oily and shiny and it looks flat. And so I mean, y'all seen like my last video, I did this really my hair. I washed it, blow dried it, and then I did like a really quick flat iron on it, not too much because I wanted it to be like a blowout effect. And I think it looks really cute. And then now it's like flat. It ain't got no sense. So I think from now on, I'm only going to be ordering from Black-owned wig companies. If you guys have any Black-owned wig companies, please put them down in the comment section so I can go check them out. But don't mind me, I'm not going to be looking like this any longer. This weekend, I will be doing some diyfauxlocs this weekend, and it's going to be cute. And I'm going to have them like right here, I think. I think the hair was like $30. I'm doing it myself because I'm not about to be paying nobody $250 to do something I can do myself. Will it take a long time? Hell yeah, because them girls that'll be on YouTube and Instagram be lying, talking about it only takes 2 hours. No ma'am, everybody knows it takes about a whole day. Like, literally just throw your whole day away because you're gonna be doing your hair. That's on period. All right, y'all, so I'm currently pumping up my gas right now. Y'all, my hair is like a mess. Asymmetric bob going. God, Lord. Y'all, I just made a spiel about being self-sufficient, and I think I may have left my keys at the gas station. I know that sounds so crazy, but my car's like pushed to start, and I think I may have left them there because my car just locked up and it's not, I can't open it. But I'm here now. Looks. Yo, look at this apartment. It's so pretty. So this is my bedroom. I'll be having a 2-bedroom. I mean, excuse me, I'll be having a studio. But it comes with washer and dryer, which my studio does too. The bedroom, unfortunately, like my room, don't have carpet, but this is so spacious. Walk-in closets. Cute. I like it a lot. I'm about to head back downstairs to get the key back and then figure out where my keys are. I feel like I'm about to be embarrassed. I hope this is not bad because then I'm gonna have to take off work. Oh Lord. All right. Do you guys have this? Okay. The number is 704.
All right, hold on. 704
620 1243.
1243.
Yeah.
It says call them 711. Okay, so it's not set up.
Right.
Okay, yeah, so I have no idea. We don't We don't. It's a lot of 7-Elevens.
So y'all don't have like the 7-Eleven manager's number?
The 7-Eleven. No, I don't think we have the 7-Eleven manager's number.
Uh-huh.
All right. Have a good one.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God, y'all, y'all didn't hear this, but the guy thought I was just joking, and I'm trying to get, oh my God, I'm so fucking stupid. I need to take off the rest of the day, y'all. The guy was like, are you joking? Is this a prank? I'm like, no, it's not a prank. I really left my keys. Okay, y'all, so I am at the apartment complex. I don't know, I guess it's safe to say that I won't be living here because I'm already getting crazy. It's already been getting crazy. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I met this really nice guy. He's from Cameroon, and he saw me. He was like chilling outside, and I was like, hey, do you have a charger? Because my phone died. And he was like, yeah, and so he got me a charger, and he got me some water, and now I'm like chilling inside because the people at the leasing office wasn't gonna let me come inside and have me get a plug. Like, come on now. So yeah, so I'm currently here calling AAA. Let me get my car towed to the Nissan dealership so then I can get a new car key. So yeah, and then I have my other phone. So they're answering. I'll talk to y'all later. I am now, thank you. I need to get my car towed to the Nissan dealership. Okay, y'all, so boom. Got a quick update. I called the people. The tow truck people came, but they couldn't fit through the area to get my car. So I ended up calling the AAA back people again and to have a locksmith come. So they ended up putting in the wrong ticket. And now I'm waiting another hour for the locksmith people to come to make me a new key. And then I can drive off and go home and shower and get in the bed. But yes, your girl's tired and I'm out here looking homeless. Well, technically I am homeless because I'm at this apartment complex that I don't live at. Okay, y'all, so I just left the studio apartment, and surprisingly, so this whole entire time I've been doing apartment hunting, I have not been able to view like an official studio. They usually just let me go see the 1-bedroom apartments just to kind of see if I like furnishings and things like that, and I really, really like it. But this is my first time actually viewing this official studio, which is like 500 square feet, and it's so freaking small. Like, honestly, like, I don't think I could do it. Like, no, I don't think so. So I think I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing board. I don't think I'm gonna be able to move to Plaza Midwood, unfortunately. A couple of openings at my current apartment complex, so I probably am gonna just go look at that. So I just left my first kickball game with the ball busters. It was so much fun, y'all. I was out there kicking the ball, and I ended up catching, I think, 1 or 2 balls. It was super fun. The team is so sweet. They're really nice. We lost 4-2, but we had a really, really good time. And then I think like in 2 weeks we should be getting our new t-shirts in. But yeah, everyone was super fun. A lot of newcomers, and we had like a couple of old heads, which was really, well, pros that were really good. But I think this is a really great form of activity for me to really get involved in. I need to go pick up some groceries, so I'm gonna head to the grocery store to pick up groceries so I can go and cook dinner. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Hope you guys are having a really great day.